Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to do shoutouts for your Instagram account. So to do shoutouts you have to have at least 10k followers to 20k followers. That's when you can start doing shoutouts for your others account. So it's happy to boost your account. As you can see, this account has just only one following and it has 26.6k followers. What I did to this account is what's it called, shoutouts. So how do you do the shoutouts? So let me show you. To do the shoutouts, just to make use of a hashtag. So this is the hashtag list. As you can see, I'm presently doing another shoutout for one of my accounts. As you can see, in this caption it says, click the link in the bio to see if you are eligible. So follow at it says follow at Money Rich Life for sale. Follow at Money Rich Life for sale. From the search for Money Rich Life for sale now, as you see what I'm saying. So just search for it. So let's just come here. So this is the account I'm currently doing shoutout on. As you can see, it has just 3 following and it already has 2,223 followers. So as you can see, this is shoutout. It says follow at Money Rich Life for sale. So this is it. This is the account I'm doing shoutouts for. So as you can see, it already has 2,223. So this is only shoutouts work. That's how I normally do shoutouts. So this is how you can do shoutouts for your others accounts. You just say follow at so name, username, and or whatever you want to do shoutouts on. That's when you already have 10k followers to 20k followers, when you can make use of the shoutout. Although you can even start from 5k accounts sometimes. But sometimes you can also make use of it to, maybe you have 3 accounts that you are currently building, then make sure you do shoutouts for one, then to start boosting it small, so it will help you to start boosting your account small to get any more followers and engagement and richness. So that's how you can do it. So that's how I normally do my shoutouts. As you can see, you just have to make use of follow at so username. That's how you can make use of shoutouts. So good day everyone.